Tell me more about the franchise opportunity of why a potential franchisee should invest in this business. And what's the key function, a role that the franchisees are getting themselves into? And what type of support do you provide to your franchisees? How much can a potential franchisee, how much can they actually make? And how many franchise locations do you currently have? All right, so what's your name?
My name's Andrew Armenin.
And what's your franchise business name?
So Metal Supermarkets.
Great. So tell me more about the franchise opportunity of why a potential franchisee should invest in this business.
So our business is a good, solid, stable business, cater to sort of the upper middle level management franchisee who wants to build a sustaining business for themselves and their families over the longer term.
And why is it specifically stable?
Metal's been around for years and it's not going anywhere.
And who's your customer?
The customers are machine shops, tool and die, job shops, fabricators, hotels, hospitals, universities, anyone who needs metal, even homeowners and hobbyists.
And what's the key function, a role that the franchisees are getting themselves into?
They're typically leading the business. We don't want them out back cutting metal, moving metal. We want them leading a small team of inside sales representatives, warehouse folks, drivers, and they're coordinating all the efforts at the store level.
Nice. And what type of support do you provide to your franchisees?
So we have a really extensive support program. We have 50 hours of online learning prior to opening, 2 weeks of in-store and in-class training. On top of that, 3 weeks at store opening, where we're on site, building out the store, laying out inventory, training their staff. We're there the first week they open. First week we're open, we're helping them secure those sales, and then we're back for another week, 3 weeks after they open again to support them.
And how many franchise locations do you currently have?
So we have 130 open in Canada, the US, and the UK.
Amazing. And how much can a potential franchisee, how much can they actually make?
I'm not answering that one.
Okay, no worries. Perfect. All right, well, thank you. We like this business model so much that we want to award you with a gift with the medal of Franchise Top Pick. So I'm going to initiate you. Okay.
Okay, thank you. My first time getting awarded something.
Here we go.
Oh.
All right, let's take a photo together. You want to hold it with that?
I'll hold this up.
There you go, yeah. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.